Charcoal turning to ash. Coffee grounds dumped after brewing. Coconut husk rotting in the fields. What most people see as a waste, we see as the color for the future.
We are Kalikasan, created from nature, inspiring the future.
We turn Philippine natural resources and agricultural waste into eco-friendly art materials for creative learning.
Our name Kalikasan comes from the two words, Kalikasan, which means nature, and Likha, which means to create. It represents a movement where we create a valuable eco-friendly art supplies from what nature provides, turning waste into something beautiful and sustainable.
Every year, millions of plastic art material supplies are used by students in the Philippines. Unfortunately, most of them end up in landfills. In addition, many common art materials today are made with synthetic chemicals and toxic substances that may not be safe for young artists who may use them every day.
With more students inspiring artists exploring creativity, the demand for safer and more sustainable art materials is becoming more important. Interestingly, natural materials have long been used for art. For example, coffee can be used for coffee painting, charcoal for drawing, and plant-based pigments for coloring, showing that nature itself can provide creative tools.
Our solution is to make these commercialized art supplies made from biodegradable and organic waste materials, such as charcoal, banana peel, coffee bean, beeswax, turmeric, anato, malunggay leaves, coconut husks, talisay leaves, and abang fibers. These materials are locally available, biodegradable, and affordable, making them ideal for sustainable manufacturing.
Here's one of our products, a natural crayon made from beeswax and organic pigments like beeswax and anato. To show its quality, Ken will not draw it. Use our product.
So, this one is our turmeric crayon made from beeswax and turmeric, creating a color yellow crayon.
Another product is a pure charcoal stick for drawing, fully natural and commercialized for sale. Ken will demonstrate.
So for our charcoal, we will turn this pure charcoal into charcoal powder, compressed charcoal, and charcoal stick that can be used for realism drawing.
As you can see, these are just ordinary materials. They are tools that bring color and creativity to life while sustaining the future. Students can create every day, reduce waste, and support local communities, all at the same time. Our team operates a startup manufacturing company. Ken will oversee the CEO and business director. Philip will be our production manager. Andre will take the developments, eco-friendly materials. Hans will build brand awareness and partnerships, and I will handle your finances.
We plan to target not just individual students, but also we focus on large supply retailers such as National Bookstore, Office Warehouse, Pantayan Bookshops.
Our business supports United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG. We have SDG 30, which is climate action by reducing plastic waste. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production through biodegradable materials. SDG 8, which is the decent work and economic growth by supporting local farmers. And lastly, we have SDG 9, which is industry, innovation, and infrastructure by promoting local manufacturing.
In fact, the Philippines imported $2.68 billion worth of plastic raw materials in 2023 and around 20,000 tons of plastic office and art supplies, showing the country's heavy dependence on imports.
What makes our product different from our competitors? Well, firstly, it is eco-friendly, locally sourced, and cost-efficient. Meaning that while traditional supplies are plastic-based, imported, and have higher production costs, and are a waste to the environment, our proposal is that it is biodegradable, supports local businesses, and has lower raw material costs, and is sustainable.
Our strategy is business to business. Instead of selling directly to the students, we partner with major retailers. Example, supplying eco-friendly art supplies to large bookstore chains, partnering with school organizations promoting sustainability, and branding products as eco-friendly alternatives. Retailers benefit by offering sustainable products to environmentally conscious consumers.
Moreover, for our marketing strategy, we will collaborate with local artists who will demonstrate creating artwork using Kalikhasan products. These artists will share their creations on social media platforms to showcase the quality and creativity of our eco-friendly materials. Through this campaign, #CreateFromNature Inspire the Future, with Kalikhasan helping us reach students, young artists, and environmentally conscious consumers while promoting sustainable creativity.
Because our materials come from local agricultural waste, our production costs are very low. Here's a breakdown of our cost per product.
Small natural art set. Total production cost is 55 pesos and the suggested selling price is 99 pesos. And profit per set is 48 pesos. While the full Kalikhasan box, which is 10 sets, its total production cost is 600, while the suggested selling price is 799 pesos. And the profit per box is 199 pesos.
By using locally sourced waste materials such as banana peels, coconut husks, coffee grounds, leaves, and etc., we significantly reduce raw material costs compared to imported plastic art supplies.
Based on their production cost and selling price, we earn about 44 pesos profit per small natural art set and 199 pesos profit per Kalikhasan full box. We assume an initial startup of 50,000 for materials, packaging, and small-scale equipment. To be that we only need to sell around 241 small art sets to recover initial investments.
If we focus on selling Kalikhasan box, we only need to sell about 76 boxes to break even.
With partnerships from large retailers like National Bookstore, Pandayan Bookshop, these sales target can realistically be reached within 2 to 3 months of distribution.
Investors. The Philippines faces growing problems with plastic waste, agricultural waste, and dependence on imported materials.
Our solution transforms these problems into an opportunity. Eco-friendly school and art materials made from local biodegradable materials.
We are not just selling art supplies,
We are Kalikhasan, creating from nature, inspiring the future.